just noticed that my scarlet running beans are beginning to flower. There are several types of beans, and this is a green bean. It makes a green bean vegetable, but it produces these gorgeous red blossoms. I said yesterday on a video that I never plant my beans next to my flowers, and I have planted scarlet running beans all along the back of this one flower bed. There are Mexican petunias pretty close, because beans produce nitrogen that discourage the production of flowers. They encourage the plant to make greenery and not blossoms. But this just reiterates the fact that I grow much of my garden vertically in the same way that the cottage gardeners grew their gardens vertically. I've done it for years. And I will say this is a very good plant to put in your vegetable garden or your kitchen gardens. First, you could eat the green beans, but I'm gonna make a video tonight and show you how glorious this plant is going to look in just a few weeks when it's in full. A climbing rose is no more beautiful than a climbing scarlet running bean. And I'll tell you more about that. Always check the description part of my videos, because I'll always come back and tell you more. You just have to follow the links.